Good afternoon, all. Let us continue with the next chapter. Okay, 11th chapter is completed. Now let us continue with the next chapter, chapter number 12. That is of part 2, biotechnology. Biotechnology and its application. Here, you have to remember few full forms. GMO, that is genetically modified organisms. Another full form, GMF, genetically modified food. Fine. Here, agrochemical based agriculture, organic farming, and genetically modified plants using that. Okay, the word is green revolution, green evolution, green revolution. So through green revolution, we had formed the 3 times more production than the pre-existing crop production, but this thrice production cannot sufficient for increasing human population. So here there is only one chance, fine, to complete, to fulfill the demand of the increased human population related to food. Fine. Only one thing is that genetically modified plants or crop. Now here, from this, the one question is there: improve nutritional variety. Improved nutritional variety, the golden rice, that is known as, that is very rich in vitamin A. Transgenic crop is a crop which contains and expresses the transgenes. So, in this chapter, we had learned with the transgenic animals. In that, another animal gene is transferred here into the other animal. So, this type of the mechanism is known as transgenesis, and such type of the animals are formed known as transgenic animals. Now here, such example, that is hirudin, you know. Hirudin, it is useful for blood clotting. So hirudin containing gene, it is transferred into the one plant known as Brassica napus. Now the seed of the Brassica napus that contain hirudin. So hirudin is isolated from this seed, then it is purified and used as a medicine. one transgenic variety of the tomato known as flavor sour. Flavor sour, due to inhibition of the polygalacturonase enzyme, which degrades the pectin. Fine. As a result, due to the degradation of the pectin, the tomato variety remains fresh and retain flavor much long time. So tomatoes are used for a prolonged time and there is no change in the flavor of it due to flavor sour. So inhibition of the polygalacturonase enzyme. Now, as you know that BT cotton, just a 1 minute revision of the BT cotton. Fine. BT cotton in that cry gene, BT cotton in that Bacillus thuringiensis bacteria, toxic producing gene is transferred to it, and this is known as cry gene, and it produces the cry protein. So this is insecticidal protein which kills the insect larvae. But dear all students, please remember that this toxin is inactivated form known as protoxin. But this protoxin, it is activated by entry of that protoxin inside the gut of the larvae. But the gut of the larvae that consists alkaline pH, and this alkaline pH is beneficial to activate the protoxin into activated toxin. Then it enters into the midgut and form the pores inside it, and in this way it kills the insect. And along with that, you know, cry1 AB, cry1 AC and cry2 AB, fine, useful for cotton borer, and cry2 AC useful for corn borer. Cotton bollworms and corn borer, it is given there. Pest resistant plant, we are done with this. Fine. Genetically engineered insulin. So insulin is protein. You also say that proteolytic, proteinaceous or peptide hormone. Now here I can move on the another point, that insulin is protein, or you say that hormone. or you say that polypeptide. Whereas inulin is polysaccharide made up of fructose. So insulin is polypeptide, whereas inulin is polysaccharide. Chapter number 9, standard 11, in polysaccharide topic it is given there. So the major difference between insulin and inulin. Inulin is a hormone to treat insulin dependent diabetes mellitus, and as you know that the diabetes mellitus, it is caused by the inactivation of the beta cells of the Langerhans, islet of the Langerhans of the pancreas, and here due to less amount of the insulin, more amount of the glucagon is there, fine, and as a result more amount of the glucagon, blood sugar increases, as well as sugar is present also in the urine, and that condition is known as hyperglycemia, fine. So before so many years, by killing the pig as well as other animals, after giving the sugar injection to them, we isolate the insulin from their body, and this is known as humulin. Humulin has sugar control mechanism, but it is animal protein, so it affects our immune system. As a result, allergic reactions or other side effects are from that. So to cope up with this problem, we had formed the insulin in the laboratory. So you have to know that insulin consists two chains. Insulin consists two polypeptide chains. Chain A that consists 21 amino acids, chain B consists 30 amino acids. Actually here we have taken this topic in detail, that we had isolated the foreign DNA which consists the gene for formation of the strand A of the insulin, as well as another foreign DNA is also selected which forms the chain B of that insulin. Then this is introduced into the plasmid of the E. coli bacteria. Fine. So here please remember that one amino acid it carry one triplet code. So here for this 63 nitrogen bases are there. Okay. So chain A consists 63 nitrogen base and along with that last 3 codes for stop code. So total 66 nitrogen bases are there. So for formation of chain A of insulin consisting gene has 66 nitrogen bases on its mRNA. But 132 nitrogen bases on its DNA. Fine. Whereas amino acid containing chain B forming gene consist, here 30 amino acids are there. So you know that one amino acid carry 3 nitrogen base, that is one triplet code. Fine. So 30 3s are 90 and last that is stop code. So 93 codes, 93 nitrogen bases on its mRNA, but consist 186 nitrogen base on its DNA. Majority what we think about that here for one amino acid 3 nitrogen bases are there, that is known as one codon, but nobody can consider that last stop code, but we have to consider stop code there. Okay, so insulin chain that consists the two polypeptide chains, chain A as well as chain B. you know that the proinsulin consists the C peptide bond. So chain A and chain B both are connected together with the help of C peptide bond. Mature insulin consists the disulfide bond. So C peptide is absent there. Sir Edward Sharpe Schaeffer first note that he was the first to note that due to affect the pancreas beta cells, diabetes occur. Banting and Best both are the first scientists to isolate the insulin from dog's pancreas. So this is about the genetical engineered insulin, and remaining thing it is given there in the textbook. United States, American company, Eli Lilly, you have to remember. In Humulin, you have to also remember that. Fine. So here you can stop now.